How to fix file system error -805305975 in Windows 11. Method 1. Repair and reset Microsoft Photos. Right-click Start and select Apps and Features. Scroll through the apps list and find Microsoft Photos. Click the ellipsis next to Microsoft Photos and click Advanced Options. In the Reset section, click Repair. If Microsoft Photos still doesn't open files, click Reset. Click Reset again to confirm the action. Method 2. Run the Deployment Image and Servicing Management Scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health and press the Enter key. Wait for the scan to complete. Then type in DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health and press Enter. Restart your PC. Method 3. Run the System File Checker Scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in sfc/scan now, and press Enter. Restart your PC. Method 4. Run a CHKDSK Scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in CHKDSK C:/F/R and press Enter. Replace C with the letter of the drive where Windows is installed on your PC. Type in Y if volume is being used by another process, and press Enter. Close the command prompt and restart your PC. The scan will begin during the restart. Wait for the scan to complete. Method 5. Reinstall Microsoft Photos. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in PowerShell and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open PowerShell as an administrator. In the PowerShell window, type in the command shown on the screen, and press Enter. You can copy this command from our article linked in the video description. Then, open the Microsoft Store. Type Microsoft Photos in the search bar and select Microsoft Photos. Click the Get button. Hopefully, this video provided you with the information you were looking for. If you're using a Windows computer, we suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner's real-time anti-malware scanner will stop malware from gaining a foothold on your PC. Anti-ransomware protection will protect your most precious files against being encrypted by ransomware. Combo Cleaner's web browsing protection will block scams, malicious websites, and downloads. Also, Combo Cleaner's Duplicate File Finder and Big Files Finder will help you clean up your PC and save gigabytes of valuable disk space. Don't let malware wreak havoc on your computer. Download Combo Cleaner today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel